Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the most perfect Western style belt.
This belt from WOWOGO is so perfect for the Western lover. It features a floral and longhorn design with this gorgeous longhorn belt buckle. I love the color of this, the gold buckle, and this is a really nice 1.5 inch wide belt. And it really is just the perfect accessory to go with almost any outfit. Whether you're going to wear it with just your jeans, dress it up with a cowboy boot and hat, whatever it is, you are going to look so stylish. And I really just think it is the most beautifully detailed belt. Perfect for fall or going out line dancing. This is going to be your new favorite accessory because it is definitely mine.
This belt literally looks good with everything, and I love that you can exchange the belt buckle if you want, but honestly, why would you? This one is so perfect. You need to have this in your wardrobe, and that's my point of view.